everyone, so if you haven't seen my wash day video, go check out that video. You will see how I washed my hair before this, but now my hair is freshly washed and I'm going to separate it into two sections and then separate that next section into halves as well so it's easier to work with. As you guys can see, my hair is still pretty moist, which is the way I like it. So I'm going to be using the As I Am leave-in conditioner to add some moisture to my hair before I start to define my curls. I love this leave-in conditioner because it's really smooth and soft, and if you guys want, I can do a review for all of the As I Am products that I'm starting to use these days. Then I just split that section to two again so I can have a smaller section to work with. I'm going to be using the Jamaican black castor oil and flax seed gel by Eco Styler, and I haven't used this gel before, but I figured I'd try it out for this video since I'll be showing you guys a couple different routines with different products. As you guys can see, I take a good amount of gel and I rake my fingers through. I'm being sure to squeeze with my fingers to make sure that the hair follicles absorb the gel, and as I run my fingers through, I'm detangling and sort of like doing the raking method, and it helps to make sure that my curls clump up and are defined. After I'm done raking and detangling, I take my fingers and I do the shingling method by separating out the curls and really trying to make sure that they are defined, and that way I can avoid any extra frizz. So now that section is defined and curled up and it looks pretty good, so I'm going to move on to the next section and do pretty much the same thing. Add the leave-in conditioner, make sure my hair is moisturized and a little bit detangled for larger knots. And then I start adding the gel and really starting to define up all my curls. And so I do this process for all of my head of hair, and you guys will see it takes me a little bit of a while, but it's good for me to be patient because that way I don't have to have any frizz in my hair, and that way this style can last me for about a week. I feel like it may have to do with being pregnant and having like a lot of blood flow and different hormones and the vitamins I'm taking, but my hair seems to be a lot thicker. I don't know if you guys have seen my other wash and go routines, but it just doesn't seem that my hair used to be as thick, and now it's super duper thick. Another really helpful technique I do is to shake my hair about, and that allows the curls to work with gravity to clump up and become more defined. So again, just shaking my hair all about so that curls can separate and start to clump up and be more defined and pretty much do their thing. So as a first time use for this gel, I would say it's actually pretty great. My hair feels really soft, and as you guys can see, it's pretty defined. Next, I'm going to take my blow dryer and I'm going to make sure that my hair gets pretty dry. This helps with the stretching method so my hair doesn't shrink up too much. If I just let my hair air dry from here, it will become super shrunken. So as you can see, I'm tugging at my roots and tugging at my hair and letting the air access my roots so that it can dry stretched. I do have my blow dryer on low setting so that it's not too hot. And as you guys can see, my fro is starting to stretch out and gain some more volume as I blow dry the roots. So I blow dried my hair for about 15 minutes in that fashion, and my hair got to be about 85 to 90% dry. The rest of it can dry over the next hours of the day and it'll be totally fine. And then I just take some bobby pins and move my hair out of my face so that my bangs can settle nicely. I am really loving this style, and I'm loving how my hair feels right now. Basically, it feels pretty soft, and as you can see, it's very much so movable. It's really like a fun style, and my hair is very defined, so I had a little bit of fun with it. I'm going to manipulate and wear this style for the next week. Thanks for watching, you guys, and be sure to leave your comments down below.